the heroine was fighting with the hero, they fall in love with each other. That's what the writer wanted to express. But is that true in the 21st century? But that was, as you were saying, that was written in 1950s. But in 2010 and 2012 and 13, are women still saying that? Are they still fighting with their boyfriends or husbands and the way they used to do in a pseudo personality way or pseudo expression way in the olden days? But I don't think they are. These days, women are much, much more advanced, direct, they know what to say, they mean what they say. Those days are gone. Please do take this from me granted. I'm a lot older than all of you here. The days of what women says and what it means different are gone. Women do say what they mean, like I'm saying now. You see? There are no hesitations or apprehensions about what they want to say nowadays, and they do what they say. This is the 22nd century, I think. So, don't be under the false impression that a woman, what she's saying is not. When the father asks her, do you want to marry this man? She's saying these days, no, I don't want to marry. I'm running away from the home. You can go to hell, whatever you want to do. They're doing it. It's been happening. Don't be under the impression the girls are very submissive anymore and they won't be anymore. It could be because of the westernization or the technology or the reading ability. The olden days people, we never had books to read. We could not afford the books to read. But these days it's not like that. Everybody has got a tablet and they read in their bed. So, those days are gone. Please don't be under the impression that what women are saying is not what they meant. They are saying what they mean. Thank you very much.
Actually, I like to answer